Burek is the kind of food that looks complicated until you see it broken into stages. Once you know how the dough stretches and how the coil forms, it makes sense fast. Burek is a Bosnian savory pastry made from hand-stretched dough filled with spiced ground beef and onion, then coiled and baked until golden and flaky. You will need about 2 cups of flour, warm water, salt, oil, ground beef, 1 onion, salt, pepper, and a beaten egg to finish. Ground beef runs about $5 to $6 a pound at QFC or Safeway here in Washington. The flour and oil are pantry staples. The whole burek feeds 4 to 6 people for well under $10. Make the dough first. Combine 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of warm water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil. Knead until smooth, then rest it covered for 30 minutes. While it rests, brown a pound of ground beef with 1 finely diced onion, season with salt and pepper, and let it cool completely. The filling must be cool before it goes on the dough, or it tears the layers. Divide the rested dough into 2 equal balls. On a large floured surface, use your hands to stretch each ball into a very thin sheet, working from the center outward until you can almost see through it. Do not use a rolling pin for this step. The stretch is what creates the layers. Brush the stretched dough lightly with oil. Spread the cooled meat filling in a thin, even line across the nearest edge of the dough. Roll the dough away from you tightly, enclosing the filling inside a long log shape. Coil the log gently into a round baking pan, starting from the center and spiraling outward. Repeat with the second dough ball, and continue the coil from where the first ended. Brush the top with beaten egg for color. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until deep golden brown and the crust sounds hollow when tapped. The coil should hold its shape, and the layers should be visible at the edges. Let it rest 5 minutes before slicing. Cut it into wedges like a pie. Serve with plain yogurt on the side, which is the traditional Bosnian accompaniment. The contrast of the flaky savory pastry and pool yogurt is what makes burek feel complete. If you want the next Bosnian dish, or you have a Balkan recipe you want to see, drop it in the comments. Like, save this one, and subscribe to the Cooking Keys.